come pack with me because I just like doing everything with you together. I'm celebrating a friend's birthday and I'm going to see Nicki Minaj. So I need some outfits, so you can help me pick some outfits and try and fit it all into one case. So to start simple, I need something to travel there in, so maybe we'll pick that first. And then I need toiletries and stuff as well because I'm staying over. But I just need to try everything on. So I'm gonna get my suitcase out. Hopefully it's big enough. I don't even know if it's gonna be. I need things like speaker, all that good stuff. So let's go. This is the outfit I have on today. I think it's so cute. Wait, I got this long cuff as well. Crocs. Look at these. If you saw my last video, you know. I just want to show you because I feel cute. This is what I'm gonna wear. I think, well, not the top, but I have these. Super baggy, cute. I feel like you can see in the mirror. But I like linen. I'm gonna wear these traveling, and then I'm not sure what top yet. I do like True Religion. I don't know. It's only for traveling, but I'm not sure. I never wear this top, to be honest. It's one of those that I like, just never wear. It's cute though. True Religion. I'm not sure. I never really like it when I have it on. This is my favorite top to wear with this, but I don't know. Then it just feels like it's very samey. Samey, hair's the same. I feel like it becomes not that interesting anymore, but I love this, so I don't know. I'll put it on. I probably will just end up wearing this. But I get in my feelings this way. And it's comfortable. It's stretchy. Stretchier than it was when I first bought it. Cute. This is what I'm wearing. Decided. Next up, dinner. This top I'm definitely wearing. It's just, look how cute. Like, this is satin. It's just, what do I wear with it? It's between jeans and a skirt, so I'll try them on. You can let me know. I might bring both, but you can let me know in the comments which I should wear. And then we also got to do a hairstyle as well, because this was my hairstyle today, which is cute, but it's not my hairstyle for the weekend. Might be my hairstyle for Nicki though, because I feel like it's like her vibe. We'll see. This is option one. Skirt, you can see the slit. You gotta look here. You see there's a slit here, and there's a slit here. It's on both sides. But like if you're just standing, you can't really tell. You can't really tell that much, which I like. But I feel like it's giving 2K. I'm struggling to decide between this and jeans. I'm doing an activity as well, so I need to be able to move around. Go on then. I really like this. I think it's really cute. I like having a skirt on. I'll show you the jeans. Before I do the jeans, I want to show you the hairstyle that I was gonna do. I feel like it makes a difference to the outfit. I don't want you to just see it with only the jeans. You girls that get it. So this is it with the skirt. So hopefully you can get an idea of what I'm gonna go for. So anyway, I'll try the jeans on now. These are the jeans. I don't know how well you can tell, but they're like flared. I'll show you. They're like flared. They got like stitched down the middle. Kind of acid wash vibes. I think I'm just not like jeans girl. Jeans for me is like something I would put on to run an errand quickly, not something I would like go out in. It feels too like cash. Like I didn't try. So I think I'm already sold on the skirt, to be honest, because it makes me feel like I made more of an effort, like I got a skirt on. Whereas jeans are like, I think also these jeans in particular, I never wear them. I have a blue pair that I like a lot more, but like black ones, I don't know. So I think it's just too cash for me. It's cute. This is what I would wear if I was going to like someone's house though, I think, not like going out for dinner and celebrating something. Also because I'm gonna have trainers on, because like I said, we're doing an activity. So it's not even like I'm pairing this with heels to really make it like, ooh. So I think I'm gonna wear the skirt. This is cute though. It's cute from the back, but from the front, I don't love it. I think I'd feel like a bit uncomfortable. I always have to pull these up. So I think I'm gonna go with the skirt. I'm gonna bring the jeans too though, just in case I change my mind. If I have the space, I'll bring the jeans, but I think I'm gonna go with the skirt probably. So now it's time to pick an outfit for Nicki Minaj. I think this is cute. I actually do. This is the winner. This is the winner. And it's brown. Don't say and Gabbana, that's on my titties. Pop me vitamins while I ride. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, this is cute. I don't like it. I don't know what it is that makes me feel like this, but I don't like it. That's how I feel. So it's baggy jeans. I have this bag and I have some pink Crocs, Croc fur sandals. I'm gonna wear them with socks because I have baggy jeans on anyway, so you're not really gonna be able to see. But then it's like, I feel like it balances the pink out more. Also, it's this color, the shoes are this color pink. So it means we've got these two match, these and the shoes match. So I feel like that makes sense. I think that's it. There's not much that can fit in here, but we'll make it work. I have nothing else pink. I don't really own pink things. So we'll see. But yeah, this is the outfit. Not with shorts, with the baggy jeans, so. And then, the only other things I need to pack is day-to-day stuff. I've got the outfit that I'm traveling in. It's the same outfit I'll probably wear in the daytime anyway. So I need to sleep in. I gotta take my night shirt, gotta take my bonnets as well. Gotta remember to pack those tomorrow though, because I'm gonna need those tonight. And then my makeup. Gotta pack all my makeup. I don't know if I'll do my makeup before I go. Not for the dinner though. I might do it when I'm there. So it's fresh. I don't know. But here's my outfits, so let's pack them. Actually pack them in the case so that I don't forget them. So far it's just speaker, and this is like hair mousse and hair oil as well. I'm gonna start doing my base, I think, just to save a bit of time, because I feel like when you let your base have time to dry, it just looks better. So I'm gonna do my base now. I've got hair somewhere. I can see it, but I can't like get it. I'm gonna do my base now. I'm gonna do just like the rest, a little bit of a top up when I get to where I'm going, when I get to the hotel, just before I leave. So anyway, start with sun cream. I really wanna get the Black Girl sun cream, but I can't find it near me, so I'm gonna just use this for now. That's all rubbed in. That was quite a thick layer, so I feel super protected. I don't know if it even works like that, but whatever. It's not even sunny outside, but it's still good practice. So I'm gonna make sure to pack this. Everything I'm using, I'm just throwing into this bag to then pack in my suitcase. So it's just base I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start with, I do have a whole makeup routine on my channel as well, if you want to look at that. But this is a concealer that is way too light for me. But in this circumstance, I don't really mind that much, because I'm going to put it underneath my foundation. See how light that is? Too light, but it's alright. I just accidentally bought the wrong shade. It wasn't really on purpose. I couldn't remember which shade I needed, and I was just like, fuck it, let's just buy it. And it was very wrong. But now I feel like I can use it as underneath. And it kind of gives a brightening effect because it's way too light, but I put my normal color on the top and it's fine. Super light. Oh, I know, trust the process. Just trust the process, please. This is my foundation. It's actually a tinted moisturizer, but I feel like it just gets the job done, but it's also like it's not super heavy. I'm a bit tanned right now as well, so I feel like this might actually not match, but I feel like it oxidizes quite well. So I don't know, we'll see. I can always bronze myself up again if I need to. Oh, I forgot a step. I was gonna do this all over my face. I wonder if it's too late, or if I could just mix it into the foundation. I bet I could do that. Very wet, but this is why we gotta let it dry. I'm gonna put powder on as well, but ultimately I just want it to dry. And I'm also gonna gel up my eyebrows, because that's another thing that I want to dry before I carry on. Oh my god. This is almost finished. That got to be eyebrow gel. It's almost finished, but whatever. Banana powder, a bit more matte, but I'm gonna leave it. I don't know if I should bronze a bit. just to give me less to do because it's a powder anyway. And then that'll be it. Looking a bit more bronzy. I don't know if you can tell, it's super subtle. And then I'll just do things like highlight and the extra little bits when I'm there. I need to just pack this full of stuff that I might want, that I might need. It's a big little mirror, of course. Big powder brush, highlight brush. This little thing, just in case I want to do eyeshadow, which I never even like doing, so I probably won't, but you never know. I'm bringing both color concealers. Don't need mascara, really. Another blush. This blush is my favorite one, so I'm bringing that. A highlighting blush. In fact, let me show you, because it's a MAC one. It's really nice. It's called Royal Flush, and it's like shimmery blush. So I'll probably put that on later as well. A little perfume oil thing. In fact, let me leave it out, because I might put it on now. This is a MAC brown eyeliner, but I use it for everything. I use it for my eyebrows and underline, and it stays so well. So bring that. Maybe freckles, who knows? Pink stain, because I got Nicki Minaj, so should I bring this? I never wear this though. Because you can't open it. This is the only Fenty product that I just feel like is not quite right because you can't open it. That's why I never use it. Not because it's not good. I gotta use this tool to even get into it. Because the case just pops off, but it is pretty. Look at that. Yeah, I gotta bring that. I'm gonna bring, oh, little sharpener as well. Put that in there. Black eyeliner. That's it. That's all I'm gonna bring. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I upload every single Saturday, so I will see you again then. Please leave me a comment and a like as well for the engagement and support. I love you being here, and I'll see you again next week.